much activity across the South Plains. You can see all the moisture and rain showers from Tropical Storm Bill way off to our east. That won't be affecting our area anytime soon, but we did experience a few isolated showers go up this afternoon across mainly the eastern rolling plains and here in the metro area. Things have quieted down since then. A live look outside at the top of the tower sky cam shows a beautiful sunset and just a few high clouds off in the distance there, and we will be looking at much calmer weather conditions heading into this evening or so. But it is quite muggy outside. Current dew points in those upper 60s. Compare that with the temperatures. Yeah, we're relatively close together in those mid to upper 70s, so that's why it feels so muggy out there. And it doesn't take much with the daytime heating and the moisture in place to see some of those heavy downpours this afternoon with any of those showers that go up, and we will see that tropical air mass hang with us hanging into the next few days or so. And one source of that tropical air mass is all because parts of it from Bill is currently already pushed onshore here across the Texas coast. Winds have come down slightly, down to 45 miles an hour. Current movement is off to the north-northwest at 9 miles an hour. Strike is going to take it away from the South Plains, but all the heavy rain will spread into central Texas and then eventually up into the north central Texas in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, giving them quite a bit of rain and some major flooding. Already flood watches from Austin, Houston, Dallas points east, and a tornado watch for the southeast coast and central Texas through at least midnight or so tonight. So any travel plans, any family members out there, please give them an update, because rainfall totals look across the I-35 and 45 corridor look to be on the order of 2 to at least 5 or plus inches or so for most of those areas. Here across West Texas, we're not going to be seeing much, and back here across the local area, most of Bill will stay well to the east and won't be affecting any of our counties, maybe with the exception of Guthrie over to Paducah. You guys may see an isolated shower from the remnants of Bill, but again, most of us will stay mostly dry, and we're not looking at too many significant impacts. But as you're waking up tomorrow morning, looking at the clouds and maybe even some fog across the South Plains, so be careful as you're heading out tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, we begin to clear out and seeing maybe an isolated chance of a shower or thunderstorm, mainly in our eastern counties. And then heading into Thursday afternoon, with the atmosphere heating back up and some moisture back in place, we could see a few pop-up showers across our northeastern counties and across the west as well. But by Thursday evening, we will have to watch this. Models are picking up on a line of showers and thunderstorms from Seminole, Brownfield, Lubbock, all the way up to Tutuila or so. Those could be on the strong side or so, but nothing looks severe at this point, and all activity begins to die off heading into Friday morning. Now, for overnight tonight here in Lubbock, we'll see a low temperature of 65 degrees, 10% chance of rain, partly cloudy conditions out there, southeast winds 6 to 12 miles an hour. For your Wednesday afternoon, once again, another hot, muggy afternoon. An isolated chance of a thunderstorm, mainly 10% in our eastern counties. The southeast to easterly winds 6 to 12 miles an hour, pumping in the moisture into the area. So, like I said, it's going to feel very muggy tomorrow afternoon and again on Thursday as well. Keeping those rain chances at 10% and isolated for your Wednesday and Thursday afternoon. Temperatures hanging into those upper 80s, but as we finally get some drier area into the region heading into Friday, and those temperatures begin to heat up as well into the lower 90s. And the good news is we begin to dry out the last few days of spring and start summer on a dry note, with those temperatures into those low to mid 90s and those overnight lows and pretty mild in those mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. That was a really good one.